Hi guys, welcome back to Weird Carrots, and today me and my mom are going to be baking a cake. And so we're going to be making vanilla cake and since it's the day after New Year's, I'm going to decorate it with Miss Jones confetti pop. It's vanilla icing with sprinkles, and then I'm going to write Happy New Year with strawberry. And so my mom right now is buttering the pan. We have a mixer over there. Okay, step 1. Set oven to 350 Fahrenheit. This is so confusing. Okay, and so we already buttered the pan, so
should I put flour in it?
beat cake mix, water, oil, and the eggs in the bowl with the mixer to medium speed for 2 minutes. Pour the batter into the pan. So we're gonna pour the cake mix in. Okay, there we go, and then we pour it in.
3 eggs.
Then we have, can I crack an egg?
Why don't you let mommy do these?
Okay. We don't have oil, so we're gonna try milk. Now, where's the half a cup?
It's supposed to be oil, but
Where's the half a cup?
the one's left to go. You do it? A little more. Almost there. Almost there. A little more. Just a splash more.
There.
Okay.
And
So,
we're gonna pour in the
so
milk.
it's milk instead of oil, huh?
Yeah.
I reckon you can do that.
And is that 3 eggs?
Mm-hmm. Is that how many we need?
Yep. Pour in the milk, and I think that's all we need. This is what it looks like. It smells so good, doesn't it, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
So we're just gonna pour it right into. Let's get some on this side.
How are we doing now?
Spreading it.
That's what she said.
For what reason?
So all the sides get like covered with batter, and so our cake isn't like really weird. It's gonna be like a big cake. It's gonna be a big cake.
Something.
There, it's going. We're putting it in the oven now.
All right. So don't touch the sides.
I know.
You got
It's so hot.
It is.
All right. 34 to 38 minutes, so put it on 30.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Sure. 31. All right. Now we wait.
They're not rising. Here's our cake so far. Mama, move. Look how good it looks. Cake just came out of the oven, and so I'm gonna poke it to see if it's done or needs a few more minutes. And if it's wet, you need more time, but if it's dry, it's good. Twisty. It's dry. Oh, now we just have to wait an hour to decorate it. See you in an hour, but we are now frosting the cake with vanilla frosting. Oh, it's all coming apart. Ah! Mommy, it's coming apart. It's falling apart.
What is?
Gotta go gentle.
Cake!
Oh.
So what are we doing now?
Writing a Happy New Year.
With
My
what?
pe-
The ketchup?
Icing, strawberry icing. Ah! That came out fast.
You gonna be able to fit New Year's on there?
Maybe. I wrote happy.
Happy.
And I need to write new. And I'll write it like
How about just happy year?
Or happy 2019.
Too late. I already wrote the end. Happy New Year.
Kyla's first cake she baked. Happy New Year! Exclamation point.